Good day, dear mates and teacher. My name is Jason Abaunza. I am student to UNAT. I'm gonna tell them about my last travel and give some tips and recommendations if you make a decision to travel here. Let's get started. In this vacation, I traveled to Cancun. It's a city located in Mexico. It's a beautiful place. Your people is so friendly, and the beaches were clean. Um, the weather is very sunny and hot and breezy. Uh, the sea or the ocean is perfect if you like swim or take a bath. For the sun, you should use sunblock and don't drink if you think to take a bath in the sea. Finally, you must enjoy the trip and take pictures of the place. Goodbye.